So, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This is update on the previous video on super low mile 2012 Tacoma two-wheel drive with this 4-cylinder 2.7 liter, which had been diagnosed with the head gasket. And I want to show you that before they will be putting it back. I was actually absolutely blown away when I looked at it. How this engine is tiny when you remove all the accessories which are all around. Look how tiny, baby. I completely love to see it stripped down like this. Super fascinating always is. Trying to show you as much as I can. Chad, the owner of the shop, he put a light here for us, his snap-on hood light, so thank you, Chad, we do appreciate it. He remembered that somebody said in the comments in the previous video, the only other video made on this, that there wasn't original coolant yet when they were taking it apart. They confirmed it was full of Toyota super long life, so there was correct coolant in this engine, and the head came back today from the machine shop. Let's go look at it. As you can see, Chad has here a big shop, professional shop. I'm probably like 100 years behind him, but that's fine. Everybody does what they do. Everybody's in certain levels. So the head is back. The shop resurfaced it, pressure tested, no cracks in the block, and apparently there was like a steam passage from the heat in that head gasket. It was also shaved off, resurfaced, but it wasn't in the bad condition, so there's no reason to replace it. All the valves were good, and so on and so on. So that was the result of the machine shop. That's what they said, and it will be put together tomorrow. Just for a kick of it, you can see how seriously they approached that. They took apart basically everything. When you are looking in that engine bay, you don't realize that entire bottom was removed. Here we have the front timing chain cover, right, with the passage for the water pump. Obviously that has to be replaced, and you saw it gone, but you didn't see that they removed that entire bottom. Here is the oil pan. It will be having a new gasket and so on. So I just want to show you around with their permission. I know this is fascinating for most of you, and you can see how much work, how much time, how much work is part of blown head gasket. It's not just removing it and slapping it back. If you are serious about that repair, you do it professionally like these guys do. There's a lot of work involved with it. So I'm glad I was able to film this for you. Thank you, Chad, and your shop. And stay tuned. I will have a lot of new videos for you very soon. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in next one.